Hello and welcome to this Audio Center product presentation. My name is Roshan Malim. I'm one of the team of product application engineer here with Audio Center, and we look after all of our customers and distributors in terms of system design, project design, product trainings and applications. And this video presentation would be on the KLA DSP active line array speaker. The KLA DSP series is a complete active range of line array speaker in the Audio Center product line, and this video presentation would be on all the models under the KLA DSP series. Audio Center has designed the speaker keeping in mind the growing requirements of the active line array speaker for small to mid-size market, which can cater to various storing market segment and fixed installation market. The KLA DSP series is a fully powered line array and subwoofer series meant for small to large sound reinforcement applications. The unique design and advanced DSP programming come together to deliver imposing sound pressure levels and outstanding control of dispersion pattern and most detailed audio performance. Here are the full range speaker models from the KLA DSP series. We have the KLA 28 DSP model, which is a compact three-way design. The KLA 210 DSP, which is a medium-sized two-way design cabinet, and the KLA 212 DSP, which is a large format two-way design cabinet. Here are all the active subwoofer range speakers from the KLA DSP series. We have three models of subwoofers, starting from the KLA 118 DSP model. It's a single 18-inch flying subwoofer for KLA 28 DSP. The KLA 215S DSP, it's a dual 15-inch flying subwoofer for the KLA 210 DSP. And the KLA 218 DSP, it's a dual 18-inch ground subwoofer which can match all the models of the full range speakers. Let's start with the KLA 28 DSP. The KLA 28 DSP is an active dual 8-inch line array module with compact design. It's a three-way design and tri-amped enclosure with 100 degrees of horizontal control pattern with maximum SPL of 128 dB and frequency response starting from 60 Hz up to 20 kilohertz. The high frequency driver is a customized driver from Baima, Spain of 1-inch exit and 1.75-inch voice coil mounted on a PTV waveguide. The low frequency driver is a customized driver from Baima, Spain of 2 8 inches with 2-inch voice coil and symmetrically placed. The Class D amplifier module to power this cabinet is from Pascal, Denmark, with 1600 watts of total power. This amplifier module comes with various protection for speakers like DC protection, over voltage and under voltage protection, short circuit protection, thermal protection, and overheat protection. This system is scalable from minimum 2 cabinets up to 16 cabinets. All the connectors behind the back panel are from Nutric, like XLRs and Nutric PowerCon. And the weight of this cabinet is 25 kilograms. The KLA 28 DSP has a flying or a flown version of low frequency extension subwoofer called the KLA 118 DSP. It's a single 18-inch with 4-inch voice coil, horn-loaded subwoofer with a frequency response ranging from 32 Hz to 150 Hz and with maximum SPL of 137 dB peak. This cabinet has 4-point rigging system. It's a omnidirectional coverage and it's driven from 1600 watts of amplifier module and it can be flown on above the KLA 28 DSP. Accurate prediction by East Focus JLL file is available and the weight of this cabinet is 63 kilograms. Let's look at the next model, the KLA 210 DSP. is an active dual 10-inch line array module with compact design. It's a two-way design and bi-amped enclosure with 100 degrees of horizontal control pattern. With frequency response from 57 Hz to 20 kHz and with maximum SPL of 133 dB peak. The high frequency driver is customized driver from Beima, Spain of 1.4-inch exit and 2.84-inch voice coil, again mounted on a PTV waveguide horn. The low frequency driver is a customized driver from Beima, Spain of 10 inches with 2.5-inch voice coil mounted on a dual phase plug. The Class D amplifier module to power this cabinet is again from Pascal, Denmark with 1600 watts of total power. This amplifier model comes again with various protection for speakers like DC protection, over voltage and under voltage protection, short circuit and overheat protection. This system is scalable from minimum 2 cabinets up to 16 cabinets on a single hanging frame, a fly bar, and all the connectors behind the back panel are from Nutric like XLRs and power cons. The weight of this cabinet is 39 kilograms. The next model is called the KLA 215S DSP. The KLA 210 DSP has a flying or a flown version of low frequency extension subwoofer called the KLA 215S DSP. It's a dual 15-inch, 4-inch voice coil horn loaded subwoofer with frequency response ranging from 35 Hz to 150 Hz and with the maximum SPL of 138 dB peak. And it's driven from a bridged pair of amplifier module and it can be flown on above the KLA 210 DSP. It's an omnidirectional subwoofer and the total power of this cabinet is 2800 watts and the weight of this cabinet is 90 kilograms. The next model under the KLA DSP series is the KLA 212 DSP. It's an active dual 12-inch line array module with large format design. It's a two-way design, bi-amped enclosure with 90 degrees or 60 degrees of horizontal control pattern respectively. Frequency response from 55 Hz to 20 kHz and maximum SPL of 135 dB peak. The high frequency driver is a neodymium dual customized driver from Beima, Spain of 1.4-inch exit and 2.84-inch voice coil mounted on the center of the cabinet with novel phase guide. The low frequency driver is a ferrite dual customized driver from Beima, Spain of 12 inches with 3-inch voice coil symmetrically placed. The amplifier module in this cabinet is from Pascal, Denmark with 1600 watts of total power. And this amplifier module comes with various protection for speakers like DC protection, over voltage and under voltage protection, short circuit protection, and overheat protection. This system is also scalable from minimum 3 cabinets up to 16 cabinets maximum on a single hanging frame or a fly bar. Again, all the connectors behind the back panel are from Nutric, like XLRs and Nutric PowerCon, and the weight of this cabinet is 59 kilograms. The KLA 212 DSP has two horn options. The KLA 212 DSP 90 has a 90 degrees of horizontal coverage, and this is the standard recommended model. And the KLA 212 DSP 60, this cabinet has a 60 degree of narrow horizontal coverage pattern for long throw applications. The users and the customers can have the option of using both the combination under the line array. Let's look at the subwoofer. The KLA 218 DSP. The KLA 218 DSP is a floor or ground subwoofer. It's a dual 18-inch front-loaded cabinet with frequency response of 32 Hz up to 300 Hz. with max SPL of 140 dB peak. It's a omnidirectional subwoofer, or it can be configured as cardioid subwoofer. It has a dedicated Class D amplifier module from Pascal, and it's driven from a bridged pair of amplifier module. Accurate prediction by Ease Focus GL file is available, and the weight of this cabinet is 101 kilograms. And this model of subwoofer can be matched with all the three models of the full range speakers. Let's look at the amplifier module. Here you can see the back panel and amplifier module of all the models in the under the KLA DSP series. The KLA 28 DSP and the KLA 210 DSP, both these have three both these models have three user selectable presets to choose, and the KLA 212 DSP has no preset. It comes with a full range linear frequency preset as a default preset, and all the subwoofer models comes with three user selectable low pass filters or crossover settings and a phase reversal switch. Let's look at the core components and technology used in KLA DSP speakers. The KLA DSP speakers is a fully powered or active line array with integrated 96 kilohertz of sampling rate and 56-bit processing DSP unit, powered with Class D amplifier from Pascal, Denmark, advanced cooling system for amplifiers and drivers. The cabinet is made of Russian birch plywood, which is CNC made, pro drivers from Bema, Spain, advanced waveguide technology for more linear response of high frequency with built-in rigging hardware, and the speaker goes to standby mode when there's no signal in the speakers for 15 minutes. And all the models of the speakers have Ease Focus GLL file available for system prediction and system design using the Ease Focus version 3 software. The KLA DSP series have various optional accessories like flight case with wheels, which can be used to pack 2 cabinets or 4 cabinets, dollies for 4 cabinets with rain protection cover for 4 and 8 cabinets available, hanging frame for flying and ground stacking, M20 D shackles, and flying belt. These are the common accessories for all the models available. Let's look at the black panel input section of the KLA DSP series amplifier module. The KLA 28 DSP and the 210 DSP both have three user selectable preset to choose. The first preset is linear preset. It's a full range preset with flat frequency response and full frequency range. The second preset is HFX preset. This preset is used to increase the presence of high frequency for outdoor conditions and for more long throw in an outdoor conditions. And the third preset is called width sub. This preset can be used if the system is used as in a stacking position on top of the subwoofer for more easy setup and plug and play system. These are the three user preset available for KLA 28 DSP and the KLA 210 DSP. And for the KLA 212 DSP, it has no preset options. It comes with a full range linear frequency preset as a default preset within the cabinet. Let's look at the back panel input section. The back panel has Nutric PowerCon of 20 ampere connector with power loop for input and output. Not more than 5 cabinets can be looped on the same power source or electrical source for each model. The subwoofer back panel, it's got Nutric XLR input and Nutric XLR loop out, and with PowerCon connector. It's got input gain knob and 3 selectable low pass filter settings or crossover settings like 80, 100 and 120 hertz, and a polarity switch for changing the polarity of the speaker from normal to reverse. This is common preset for all flying subwoofer and ground stacking subwoofer. The different configurations for KLA28 DSP, as you can see, the KLA28 DSP is a compact cabinet which has various options or configurable options like 3 to 4 cabinets which can be stacked on the subwoofer, or it can be used as flown system up to 16 cabinets depending on the requirements of the venue. The KLA28 DSP system is completely scalable for handling small setup to much larger setup. It's a compact, flexible system to deploy. Let's look at the KLA210 DSP different configuration. The KLA210 DSP and the KLA215S DSP can be both used in the flying position or in the ground stack position. 4 cabinets can be used for ground stacking, or it can be flown up to 16 cabinets depending on the requirements of the show or the venue. The KLA212 DSP, again completely flexible, which can be used as ground stacking or which can be used as a simple stacking system along with the subwoofer, and it can be scaled up to 16 cabinets flying on a single hanging flybar. Now, all the audio center speakers are supported with EaseFocus software for line array prediction or simulation of line array in a venue. And EaseFocus can be downloaded from AFMG website and it's free. Here are some of the screenshot of EaseFocus with KLA DSP series shown in the picture. With EaseFocus software, user can accurately predict loudspeaker system performance in the user-defined venue, allowing you to determine the appropriate number of cabinets required or for installation, and parameters can be changed according to the venue. Prediction of sound pressure level or SPL level can also be determined using the EaseFocus software, and EaseFocus is free software which can be downloaded from AFMG website. For more videos on individual model of the KLA DSP speakers, please check out all the videos of the individual KLA DSP speakers under the YouTube section. Audio Center has international support team to help customers, dealers, and distributors in any project designing, technical designing, and service after service support. You can contact them on the Audio Center website. That's www.audiocenter.net. And kindly do follow Audio Center's Facebook page called Audio Center Globe for latest updates on new product trainings and videos. And also do follow Audio Center's YouTube page for more videos like this in the future.